infected, okay? I need one volunteer. You want to be my volunteer?
Heck yeah.
Come here.
Heck yeah.
He doesn't have the camo. He has to wear the
Yeah.
All right. This guy right here is your alpha zombie. If he shoots you, you are dead. Go to respawn. You're now a zombie. He's the only one on the field who's allowed to shoot in full auto as the alpha zombie, okay? Once you get shot and become a zombie, you are only allowed to fire in semi-auto.
Oh, I didn't see it.
We're zombies.
Bang. Bang, bang.
Oh, that freaking hard. I was not expecting you to start.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, bro.
No, you're good, brother.
Round of cover.
That one's got some spunk.
Oh yeah, hey, take your armband off.
This that one from Academy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo. Oh, shoot. Woo, you got me. Hit.
Push that way, and we'll push this way. We'll kind of like start pushing into the middle. We got our cabin, we got a bunch of in the middle.
Yeah, go. Oh, I'm not reaching them.
There's a couple behind the boundaries up here.
Yeah, to the left.
Yeah. Right behind you.
Whoo! Tagging them now. Woo! Woo! Woo!
There's a couple still behind that last boundary.
I got it on camera too, bro.
Hey, there's three behind this log over here.
Oh, dude.
I got it on camera, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I wasn't even looking at you until I seen
Like,
that.
I'm gonna be good up until there. No.
I think they're all behind that boundary now on the log.
Right here.
Yeah, the log going across the creek.
You're good. You're good. Woo! Gabe Roosman is smoked.
Oh, he got it. Okay.
Is that everybody? If you're still alive, throw your hand up and yell me.
Heck yeah.